South African award-winning musician Zahara has passed away at the age of 35. She died due to liver complications and she was admitted in Joburg. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is quite said that there are new developments to the cause of death, but it's still not confirmed. The family allegedly released information that she was poisoned when her lobola was paid, as there was jealous family members who didn't want her to marry. This also explains the family being denied to visit her by her fiance and the fact that they started using her cards for shopping while she was fighting for her life. The netizens, however, believe that the liver complications came from a drinking problem because they believe that she had a problem. Remember when they bailed her out when she almost lost her house in Ramsey. But the bottom line is, whatever the reason, she is no more. She became famous in 2011 and she had outstanding vocals. Our hearts go out to the family for this loss, as well as to the fiance who had just gotten married to Zahara. It is quite sad.